In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up before a stream, a whatnot stream specifically, and more specifically, how I set up for one. So if you're seeing this in here, guys, this is the corner, my studio, so to speak, and my gaming room, that's what we call it. This is my kind of streaming corner where I do most of my, actually all of my streaming and all that. So I'm going to show you how to set up before that. So how I set everything up is here we have our giveaway we're doing. We're doing a tag 8 Pikachu promo. We've got the Radiant Charizard, Rayquaza VMAX over there. Those are going to be auctioned off, of course, the slabs, along with some singles we've got. And in the background here, you're seeing is a Pixel frame. I do have links in the description to all of these products if you need them or want them. I use them. They work out pretty well. But as you can see here, I already have my top loaders, as I've done in previous videos, numbered and ready to go. And then, of course, I just take my singles and slide them in top loaders. And as you can see here, I've got my little box here. This is actually an old Elite Trainer box, ETB, of Pokemon cards. And I use these, of course, to hold my bulk. This is the singles. This is just a few of them. I have a whole bunch more sitting in there. But basically, I would just start with one card, of course, in the pile, auction it off, and then, of course, sale one would put in my first top loader, as you can see here, and then I would set it to the side over here on the right. And these are actually, what you're seeing here on the right is actually old top loader holders, where the top loader would come in through the mail and stuff like that. And I actually use those boxes for sold cards. They actually work out really well. It's just something to kind of use what you have kind of thing. But that's kind of in a nutshell how I set up when I'm doing shows like this. As you can see, I have little stands right there, of course, for my tag slabs and all that stuff. And sometimes I sell PSA slabs and stuff like that. Obviously, whatever slab you're selling, can be pretty much held with these little stands here. They work out great for that. Something else to know is maybe have an extra, if you have an extra device on you. I have an iPad that I got, and I like to play non-copyrighted. That's a big one. Try to play non-copyrighted music in the background. Doing that will help with future, going on in the future. And of course, that helps out. I also have a table right beside me for drinks and stuff like that. My printer's over there on my computer. But that kind of works out. You'll probably be streaming for an hour, maybe 2, 3, 4 hours even. And sometimes you want something to drink or something like that. Obviously, it can be helped out when it's right beside you. But that, in a nutshell, is kind of how I set up for my streams. Again, there are links in the description and for all this. So if you guys are wanting top loaders, I got the printer, I've got everything. I also have some mailers ready to go. These envelopes work out great. I also have some little card sleeves, just in case, a card needs to be re-sleeved or something like that, or even a customer may want another sleeve. I've had people ask that before in the past. And I also have my little goodie bags. If you buy from me, whether it's on eBay, my Whatnot, I sell on all the platforms. I even sell on Whatnot, eBay, and Mercury, that's how you pronounce it. Something else to add, I also have a stand. This will be in the link description below. I live by this thing. This is actually what I use to stream. I got my chair, of course, here, and I put the stand here in front for my phone. And this works out great because I just go ahead and plug it in on the charger, and then I can just, start streaming. And that just makes life easier. So I don't have to worry about it falling. I can adjust it very easily at ease and stuff like that. So that is in a nutshell as how I set up for a Whatnot streamer before one. This is set up actually for a few days ahead of time because I work weekends, and then of course I come on my Mondays or through the week and then go ahead and get ready for my Whatnot stream. So that is how you set up a Whatnot stream. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to start selling on Whatnot and you're not sure how, there is going to be a link in the description of all my videos. All you have to go down is to whatnot.com invite seller. It should say Reaper's Show now, Reaper's Card Show, and you're just going to go to this and it'll look like this, and you'll just click start selling. And if you don't have a Whatnot account and you haven't started selling yet, you can just simply click that link, put all on your information in, and start selling on Whatnot, guys. Go do it.